Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a pack with me video. I'm not actually going anywhere, but I wanted to give you guys some tips on packing and how I pack, what I tend to take with me, and just sort of like the way I pack my suitcase, if that makes sense. A lot of you guys have been asking for this since I put up my travel essential video a long time ago. I've gotten a lot of DMs about, well, what do you actually pack? So I wanted to show you guys in a video. It's been a minute since I've had a chance to even get this type of video up. So behind me is my suitcase. I'm going to show you guys what I tend to pack when I'm going somewhere. Thanks for watching. I love you, and we're going to get into the video now. Okay guys, so we're in my kitchen. I just wanted to show you guys, it was so much easier to just lay everything out right here, what I take with me. So I actually just got back from New York, so I sort of unpacked my makeup today so I could film. But this is literally everything that I take with me when I travel. So I wanted to show you guys everything. I have these makeup bags by Zoeva Cosmetics. They came with my Zoeva brushes. So I figured it would be easier to just keep everything in these bags. So I have all of the makeup brushes that I use, literally their entire makeup brush collection. I just put them all in here. I actually have a video on my go-to products that I take with me when I travel, so I will link that below. I just kind of want to show you guys how I do this. So I put all my makeup brushes in this big bag here, literally everything. They're dirty because I just used them, so don't freak out. Yeah, so these are my travel brushes. I always make sure that I have a separate thing of brushes that I use just for travel. So that's these. And then the smaller bag, I like to store all of my eyeliners. I always take my staple lip liner. So I have a dark one, a neutral one, a burgundy, a black obviously eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. I keep all of these in here. And then all of my lip products, I almost take the entire NYX, what is this, the NYX Powder Puff Lippy collection with me because they have such good neutral colors. I always take a red, an orangey color, a nude, a dark lip. I always take these. These are just perfection. Love those. I always have a eyelash glue, which I use the Kiss adhesive eyelash glue. These are my concealers. They usually go in this clear makeup bag, so I take those. Any leftover lip colors I put in here with my brushes, like so. And then I zip these up. And then in my clear bag, I always take the Soft Glam palette. The reason why is because this palette is just so neutral. It's literally the perfect palette for traveling, in my opinion, because it has every color that you would need to create just a smoky eye, a daytime look. You can create any kind of look with this palette. So I always take the Soft Glam palette with me everywhere I go. That will just give me any look I want to create. And then I always take the Blush Bomb Coral Kaboom palette by Carity. This one, I love just the coral colors. It goes really good with my skin. So it's one of my favorite blush palettes. I always have my Fenty Beauty highlighter. This is which one is this? Trophy Wife. I always take some sort of bronzer. This is my Prime Beauty bronzer as well in Brownsville. I always take this. This is NARS. This is a concealer. I always have a beauty blender on hand, and then I take my tried and true Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 380. So this is a Fenty Beauty eye primer. This is my Prime Beauty highlighter. It's called Glow Off. This is more of a neutral look. Sometimes I take that just to kind of blend in with my skin but still give me a glow. I always have a lip balm. I always have a setting powder, and then I always make sure that I have a moisturizer and my toothpaste. I don't know why these scissors are here. And then a brush to lay my edges. So this is the stuff that I take with me when I travel. This is the Pixi Beauty Vitamin C moisturizer for your skin. It's a brightening moisturizer. I love this. So I always apply this, and then I always take my Kopari coconut oil toothpaste when I travel as well. So I just throw this in here. Sometimes I just put everything. Sometimes they fit, sometimes they don't. I don't know if they're all gonna fit. Yeah, they do. Put this in here, zip it up, and there you go. Everything fits in this little makeup bag. Now this is the other thing that I always have to have with me. My toothbrush, of course. Most people take a travel brush, but personally, I love the Shine brush because it comes with a travel kit. So my Shine brush has 4 different settings: clean, white, sensitive, and massage. I've shown this in another video. It comes with a little cap on top. It has these different settings, which with this little remote, you can change them. I like to just take the top off. I stick this inside the container, and then I just put the brush head right there, close it, and we're good to go. So this is my travel brush as well as my everyday toothbrush. I might get another one just for traveling. I'm not quite sure yet, but I love that. And then this is my Vanity Planet skincare brush. This is just a facial brush. I have literally been using this thing for years. You guys have seen it in all of my skincare videos. Like, it's my tried and true must have. Just place it in here. It also comes with other brush heads. I don't have them in there right now. Snap this, because I tend to just like the exfoliating one, and I wear the regular one. So that's that. So these 2 kits, along with my makeup bag, and then my Pixie Beauty Mud Glow Cleanser. I just take this as well when I want to wash my face, and then with the moisturizer. Okay guys, so I have some demo stuff here, meaning I'm not really going anywhere. I'm just showing you guys what I would do if I was. So this suitcase doesn't have all the compartments that my old suitcase has, because I just kind of got it on a whim real fast to go somewhere. So like I said, I'm gonna get a suitcase with all the compartments that my old one had, but this is a perfect time to see how I would pack a suitcase like this. It does have the barrier to zip this up. So what I would do is stuff like this. So like shirts, I usually take them, I fold them like this, and then I roll them to make more room for my clothes. So like just like that. And I just sort of pack them in the corner. A dress like this, especially if you have a number of them, I like to spread out. I'll tuck the arms in. This is just how I do it. I'll tuck the sides in, something like this, because it's just so long. And I roll this as well, so it doesn't take up as much space. And I'll just tuck it into a corner. And this is perfect because it has like these round corners, so stuff like that gets tucked away easily. And then, so I have some sweatpants here that I would literally do the same thing. Fold them and roll them. Rolling clothes just makes packing so much simpler. Your clothes don't take up as much space. They don't wrinkle this way. I just find it easier than, this is a robe. But I mean, I always take like a nice jersey style lightweight robe, nothing crazy, but just something I can wear around the hotel room if they don't have one. Something like this, I literally do the same thing. I just roll it up. This one's a little like flimsy, so I just kind of roll it into a little ball. It's a robe, who cares? And then bras and panties, I'm just going to show you one bra. I'm not going to get crazy. I sort of stack. So I'll put it in here like this. I always keep a little section, and I'll stack my bras right on top of each other. And then, because this suitcase doesn't have the compartments that I would like, makeup bags and things, I just tuck them right here on this side. If they're smaller, like this one has like hair products, just small travel hair brushes, stuff like that, I'll put with my clothing, and I'll just make sure that I zip it up, and sometimes I'll put it in a plastic bag in case something leaks. That way it doesn't leak onto my clothes. But most of the time I'll stick that stuff over here if I have room. These harder things, I'll just tuck them in my suitcase. Most of the time everything fits and goes where I need it to go. A tip I do have, if you're using like curling irons and things like that, because this doesn't have the compartments that I need, curling irons I put in like a drawstring bag, which I don't, do I have it? Actually, you know what, let me go get that for you. I'll show you how I, so things like curling irons, I tuck in bags like this, these little drawstring hair bags or whatever. I put them in here, and I usually put them in my suitcase part, or they'll go over here along with a pairs of shoes and whatever else. I mean, as far as packing, I'm a very simple packer. Sometimes I'll overpack depending on how many days I need to be there. So one of the things I do recommend is just taking lots of lounge wear, unless you have like events to go to. So if I know I have like a staple event, I'll take my staple outfits for that, like 2 dresses or whatever else I need to go. I always take a backup dress. So if I have like one event, I'll take 2 dresses for it that I know look good on me. One that I know will always look good on me, and then one I know that I really wanted to wear, and I'll tuck it in here, I'll put it in my suitcase, and then for others, like for the rest of the days, I just take lounge clothes, like stuff like this pink sweatshirt, a pair of tights like I'm wearing now, a t-shirt and tights, something that's cute enough to just throw on if you want to run out to a store or the movies or something where you can relax, and then just take a casual outfit. Like I'll insert something similar to like what I would wear, something you can dress up, like the sweatpants I put in here, I will insert it, I'll show you guys. I can dress those up if with a pair of booties. It could be like a dressy outfit. If you want to take some sort of dress coat or something outside of the coat you're going to wear, if you're going somewhere that requires a coat, I would definitely take a lightweight trench coat or something like that. That still looks nice. Like just things, like ideas for shopping. It's just things that were easy to travel with, things that aren't too heavy, things that aren't going to make your suitcase weigh a ton, and just try not to overpack. If I'm going somewhere for 4 days, I usually take like 5 outfits. I always take 1 extra dressy outfit just in case we go somewhere and I want to dress up. It really just depends on what I'm traveling. So one of the most important things that I have learned while traveling is to make sure that I have a bag tag or something on my bag that makes my bag stand out. I used to have a hot pink, or like a baby pink actually, baby pink and gray suitcase recently within the past 3 years, and it just got really dirty because I travel so much. And so I've learned that yes, even though I have a different color bag and it stands out and it's really not like anyone else's, it gets dirty really quickly. So I tend to lean more towards darker bags now. So if you're gonna go with an all gray or black suitcase, which most people don't recommend these days, but I love how neutral they are, get a visitag. So I recently was sent this by the brand Visitag, and I just didn't realize how important these bag tags are now that I have a neutral color bag. So I wanted to show this to you guys because I think it's so important. I do have like the little brochure here because it has all the different tags that they make. So I just wanted to kind of go over this really quickly. So yeah, so this says, "Oh, Ashley." I don't know if you guys can see that, but if you know my brand is Oh Ashley. So they personalized the tag for me. It says Oh Ashley, and on the back it says travel and cook. So if you guys have been keeping up with me, I've been sort of leaning more towards a lifestyle brand, cooking, home decor, things like that. So I thought it was really cute that they could make me a personalized tag. So these are by the brand Visitag. I thought this was super cute. All you do, this is the elastic one, right? Yeah. I got the elastic bag tag. So I had it personalized with my name and travel and cook on the back. You literally just take it, and I'm gonna put this on my arm here, and you swoop it through. I wanted elastic because I felt like it'd be so much easier to deal with, and just pull it like that. And there you go, your bag is now tagged. So you don't have to worry about being able to locate your bag, because who's gonna miss this bright pink tag on this gray bag? Like, I'm gonna know that this is my bag. Even if someone has a similar suitcase, what are the odds of them having this same exact personalized visit tag? So I wanted to show this to you guys because I thought it was really cool. So I wanted to go over with you guys the different tags that they offer. I don't want this to seem like super sponsored, but they did send me this and I just thought it was so cool, and I was like, I have to share this on my YouTube video. I've been meaning to do a like travel packing video, so I wanted to just show you guys that you can get these because I think these are actually really cool and important. So they have a snap bag tag, so you can just do the snap one, you can do the elastic one. They have a grommet bag tag, which is, I think it's like a zip tie. Yeah, and then they have a Velcro handle wrap, which is just Velcro. And then they have a mini bag tag. So if you have like a smaller bag and you just want to get it like a small bag tag on it, you can do that as well. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys the bag tag. So yeah, how cute is this, right? So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this travel video. I promise to have more videos up. You guys have been super busy, so I have not had a chance to get a lot of videos up. My next video should be my coffee or cocoa bar for the holidays. I have been working on that video, but I've just been getting stuff little by little, so stay tuned for that. I'll have that up very, very soon, probably before the holiday for sure. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I love you, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.